Hey, what you just saw is Claude Code running natively on an Android phone. And just to be clear, this is not the remote control feature. No Claude Pro plan, no subscription. This is the full Claude Code CLI agent running directly inside Termux, completely free. I gave it one prompt, it wrote an entire website, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, animations, and served it live on my phone. I didn't write a single line of code. And I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up in under 2 minutes. Before we start, there are 2 things you'll need. First, Termux. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can get it from F-Droid. The link is in the description below. And just a heads up, do not download Termux from the Play Store. That version is outdated and will silently fail during installation. Second, a free API key from an LLM provider. In this video, I'm using Llama Cloud, which gives you a free API key with no credit card required. You can also use any other supported LLM provider. Just create a free account and grab your API key. We'll need it in a few minutes. Open Termux. Before we run the installer, we need to update the environment first. This is mandatory. Skipping this will cause errors during installation. Run this command and answer why if it asks about config files. Now we'll download and run the Claude Code installer from the Ferrum Claude Pilgrim GitHub repository. This is a one-command installer. Just paste it into Termux and hit Enter. Once you run the command, the installer will ask you 2 questions. For both of them, I'm going to answer why. Yes. After that, the installer will handle everything else automatically. You just have to wait for it to finish. Now that the Claude Code installation is done, we need to manually set up the credentials before we launch it. The reason we're doing this here instead of inside Claude Code's setup wizard is because the wizard doesn't allow you to add custom credentials or specify a custom AI model. Inside the wizard, you can only authenticate with Anthropic directly, which requires a paid subscription. So we're bypassing that entirely by setting up our credentials here first. Three environment variables: your API key, the base URL for Llama Cloud, and the model. No config files, no JSON. Source it, and you're done. Now that the credentials are set up, we can launch Claude Code. Just type Claude and hit Enter. Now give it a prompt and watch what happens. It writes the HTML, the CSS, the JavaScript, the animations. It starts the server. Your website is live, built entirely by an AI agent running on your phone for free. That's not a cloud VM. That's not a remote desktop. That is your Android device running a full AI coding agent. All the commands are in the pinned comment below. Copy them directly, no typing required. If the installer throws an error on your Android version, drop it in the comments with your Android version number, and I'll patch it. Subscribe for more Termux and AI engineering workflows. Done.